Katie Makaroff.
Yes, you're,
How are you?
I'm okay, thank you, sir. How are you?
I'm tired of living this historic event.
All of us are.
Let me find your file 1 second.
Okay.
Katie, you have two cases with the court. One's a civil infraction. The other one's a misdemeanor for driving while license suspended in or around Detroit Metro Airport on January 14th of 2021. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Oh, yeah, because I mean, the license that was suspended was from 2016, and it was just an unpaid a portion of the ticket.
You don't go into any merits of the case. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. It's going to appear on your screen. You're going to click on it. You're going to speak with the in-house attorney. When you're going to leave that, you'll move your cursor and click the button to leave it. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Going back into one.
Yeah. Galaxy Star phone again, no audio or video. Galaxy, identify yourself for the record. We have audio, video, no audio. No audio at all. Might want to move around and change your location. No audio. I'm going to move you back for a minute. Good morning. Irwin, no audio. Good morning.
Good morning.
No audio. Your full name for the record.
My full name is Jawan Irwin.
Mr. Irwin L. Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Metropolitan Airport PD. Prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended second offense. The prosecutor reviewed your file. He's willing to reduce that to a basic DWLS, a driving while license suspended. Do you want to accept that plea or do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
I accept that plea.
All right, you're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand entering into this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Yes.
At the time of the stop back on the 17th of January of 2021 in or around Detroit Metropolitan Airport when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, I did not.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
I could pay it in the next like 14 days. Yes, sir.
Okay. Pay within the next 14 days. Your cell number is?
On my cell phone number?
Yep.
313-425-6292.
Pay this in the next 14 days and you'll be all set, okay?
Okay.
You have a good day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Morning.
Good morning. Leanna Belcher on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, will you please state your name?
Katie Makaroff.
I did have an opportunity to speak with my client in the breakout room. I did go over the proposed plea offer with her, and we were able to renegotiate that plea offer with Mena, my client will be pleading guilty to allowing unlicensed driver to drive and responsible speeding 1 to 5, with the original counts being dismissed.
That is correct.
Hold on, I'm writing as quick as Leanna's talking, so.
I have been told I speak too fast, so I'm sorry. I should slow it down.
Okay.
Well, we do like to kid it
I'm gonna,
quickly.
when I retire, I'm gonna become a stenographer and do short. Okay, we're dismissing the original charge of driving while license suspended. We're gonna add the count of no, or correction, allow an unlicensed driver to drive. Do we agree?
Yes,
Correct.
And on the civil infraction, what are we doing?
Reducing that to 1 to 5.
this is so interesting.
Okay, I've dismissed the original charge of driving while license suspended, added the count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Just for a factual basis, Ms. McGrath, at the time of the stop back on the 14th of January of this year, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No,
Accepting your plea, your fines and costs on that case total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
perfect, yes.
You're going to pay that in person at the court's drop box, on the court's website, or by US mail. How you gonna pay
I'm gonna write that amount down, sir. Hold on 1 second. You said it was 375?
On that case, on the driving, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And that's $195 on the speeding ticket. You can pay them both within 5 days?
Hopefully, yes.
Or do you want
Hopefully.
more time? If you want more time, just let me know.
Can I go like 7? I'm just waiting on some unemployment money. I have some back money that I'm waiting
I'll
on.
give you 14 days to pay.
Oh, thank you so much. And I have to go down to the Romulus. There's a drop
No,
box
you
down
can
there at
pay it,
Romulus.
you can pay it on the court's website. They're going to charge
Okay.
a little more money, or you can just send a money order or a check in the next 14 days by
Okay,
US mail.
perfect. Order a check.
Send them by mail.
Yep. And the address should be right on here. Yep.
Leanna, you're happy we're all set, correct?
That
Yes.
is correct.
Pay in the next 14 days, you're all set.
Thank you.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Have a good day, Magistrate. Thank you.
Yep. We're going to try this again. Good morning. No audio. We have video, but no audio. I take it you can hear me, correct? Hold on 1 minute. Okay,
I sent a chat, Al, and it looks like they're trying to connect the audio now.
okay. Let's. Did she get the chat?
I don't know. It doesn't show me and she didn't answer back, but after I said it, oh, it looks like it might have connected. Ma'am, can you unmute yourself, select the microphone and state your name?
Annie Smith.
Great. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
We're good. We're glad we connected here. Annie Smith.
I don't know if it's by time, but she's 9:40. How you have them organized?
I do not have an Annie Smith on. There she is, 9:40. You're right.
Mm-hmm.
Annie L. Hindman, the magistrate. Today's a date and time set for a pretrial with the Detroit Metro Airport prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended case. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to put you in a breakout room and I want you to pay close attention to the screen on your phone. When the breakout room appears, you're going to click on it to enter it. And when you're done with the in-house attorney, you're going to click to leave it, okay?
Okay.
Go back to 1.
Yep. Good morning. No audio. Good morning. No audio on your end. Just work on getting your audio connected.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Give me 1 second. Your name for the record.
Michael Ross Baumhauer.
Your last name first, please.
Baumhauer, Bohmhauer.
What time are you? Oh, I gotcha. Michael Ross, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Michael L. Hindman, the magistrate. Today's a date and time set for a pretrial with
Yes,
the
sir.
Detroit Metropolitan Airport prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended case with an alleged offense dated the 14th of January this year, along with a civil infraction of a registration or plate violation. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes.
All right. It's going to come up on your screen to enter into a breakout room. You're going to enter that breakout room by clicking on it. When you're done talking with that attorney, you're going to click to leave it, okay? She is going to handle a case right now. She'll be in that room shortly, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Join.
Leanna, I'm ready.
Okay, Leanna Belcher on behalf of Annie Smith. Ms. Smith, can you please unmute yourself and state your name?
Uh, hold on, I'm okay.
There you go.
Annie Smith.
I did have an opportunity to speak with Ms. Smith in a breakout room. I've explained to her what the proposed plea offer is, and she wishes to take advantage of pleading guilty to the no ops on person with the DWLS dismissed.
You in agreement to that, Ms. Smith, correct?
Yes,
I'm accepting your plea. At the time of the stop back on the 20th of September of 2020, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
no, I did not.
I'm accepting your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Correct, I can.
You can pay that in person at the court's drop box on the court's website or by US mail. How are you paying it?
The court Dropbox.
Your phone number ends in 0952, correct?
Correct.
I've dismissed the original charge, added the count of no ops on person. You're going to pay it in the next 5 days, $375. We're all set. Do we agree, Leanne?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, that wraps it. Ms. Smith.
You can sign off.
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You're going to go
You
talk to Mr. Bowenauer, correct?
Yes, I'm going to go in the room right now.
Okay. Marjorie, no audio. Marjorie, no audio. Brittany Wright.
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Brittany Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Metropolitan Airport prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended case. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney or do you want to hear the plea?
I'd like to hear the plea.
Or
Can
the
you see me?
offer? Correction, the offer.
Yeah, the offer. I'm sorry.
They're willing to dismiss the original charge of driving while license not valid. And then in lieu of that, they're going to amend it and add the count of no ops on person. You accept that plea?
What is no ops on person?
It's a no point offense.
Oh, yeah, great. I'm sorry. Yes.
You're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Correct.
You understand that by entering into this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Correct.
At the time of the stop back on November 17th of 2017, this is way back in time, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
I don't believe so, no.
I'm accepting your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days?
By
much
Friday,
time?
yes.
How much, 10 days will be fine?
Yes, please, 10 days.
Pay it within 10 days. You can pay it in person at the court. You can pay it at the court's drop box. You can pay it on the court's website, or you can pay it by US mail. How are you paying it?
I would pay it online. Can I just have the website, please?
34thdistrictcourt.com.
34thdistrictcourt.com. Okay.
All right?
Do I need to-
10 days and you'll be all set.
Okay, 375, that's it?
Yep.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Can you hear me okay, sir?
Yep.
Okay.
Leanna, give me 1 second.
Okay, let me know whenever you're ready.
Who are we going with?
Michael, last name Bohmhauer.
Go ahead.
Deanna Belcher on behalf of the defendant. Sir, will you please state your name for the record?
Baumhauer, Michael, Ross.
I did have an opportunity to meet with my client in the breakout room. I did go over the proposed plea offer in which he'd be pleading to an added count of no ops with the DWLS and the registration plate civil infraction dismiss. He does wish to take advantage of that offer. I've also gone over his trial rights with him, and he knows he's giving up his rights by entering into the plea.
Michael, at the time of the stop back on January 14th of 2021, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
Yes, sir, I did. At that time, I did. Which would be around in December. Is when I had the valid driver's license and everything else.
Well, it's not around December.
Oh, sir.
I'm going to let you speak with the attorney, okay?
Yeah. Sir, you got this traffic ticket in the misdemeanor in 2021.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. My mistake.
Okay, so at the time of the stop, was your license valid, sir?
Yes.
Sir, at the time of the stop in 2021?
In this year.
I don't understand the question.
Okay, sir, your license is not currently valid, correct?
That's correct.
And you have an appointment coming up with the Secretary of State, correct?
Yes,
But at the time you were stopped, your license was not valid, correct?
that's correct.
Okay.
I'm accepting your plea. I'm dismissing the original charge of driving while license suspended, adding the count of no ops on person. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
He cannot, he does need a payment plan, so he would ask your honor to allow him to enter into one.
I'll turn you over to the collections department. They're going to contact you by your cell number. You have contact information for him?
I do not. He's going to have to give you a number for one of his nieces or nephew. He does not have a valid phone number.
Well, I need for you to enter into a payment plan, Mr. Bohmhauer. We need a contact information for you. Your address is good on East Michigan, correct?
Yes, sir.
Go with the phone number.
Yes, Your Honor. It is 734-286-2366, Your Honor.
Pay close attention to that. The collections department's going to contact you on your civil infraction of registration or plate violation. I dismissed it per the plea.
Thank you, sir, Your Honor.
Leanna, do I have a lost soul somewhere? Let me see here. For some reason, whenever I pull the file,
Sir, you're all set. You can sign off.
All right, how do I do that?
Just click the leave button and click leave meeting.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Did we have Samuel Campbell?
I have not spoken with a Campbell.
Marjorie. Marjorie Sector. No audio. Good morning. You're connecting with audio, Marjorie.
Hello, thank you. Is it time for me to speak?
Yes, it's Al Hindman, the magistrate. You have two cases with the court. You have a driving while license suspended and a civil infraction for registration or plate violation with an alleged offense date back in January 20th of this year. You want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes, that might not be a bad idea.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You're going to see it appear on your screen. You're going to click on it. When you're done in the breakout room, you move your cursor and click to leave it, okay?
Yes, thank you very much, Your Honor. Okay. All right. The breakout room, click on, okay, join. Okay.
Spencer Wallace, no audio. Mr. Wallace, no audio. Erica Curtis, no audio. Erica Curtis, good morning. No audio.
I'm sorry. I can
There
hear
you
you now.
go. Good morning.
Good morning.
Erica Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Detroit Metropolitan Airport prosecutor. This is a driving while license suspended case that has an alleged offense date of June 30th, 2019 in or around Detroit Metro Airport. The prosecutor reviewed your case. He's willing to dismiss the original charge and add the count of no ops on person. Are you willing to accept that?
Yes,
You're entering into this freely and voluntarily, correct?
correct.
You understand that you're giving up your rights to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Yes,
At the time of the stop back on June 30th of 2019, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
no, I don't think so.
I'm going to accept your plea. I've dismissed the original charge. I've added the count of no ops on person. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Yes, I can pay that online.
Yep.
Okay.
You're all set. You have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Spencer Wallace, no audio or video. Spencer Wallace, no audio. Spencer Wallace, no audio. We've been kept out of the loop on this whole arrangement and agreement. At least I have.
Which one's that?
Okay.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, hi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Leanna Belcher on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, will you please state your name?
I am Marjorie Lynn Schechter.
I did have an opportunity to speak with her in the breakout room. I also spoke with Mr. Mena. It's my understanding that my client will be pleading responsible to an added count of double parking with a $400 fine and the original charges being dismissed.
That is correct. Obviously, the stipulation, if there was a clearance required, that would be in addition to the fine.
Ms. Schechter, you're in agreement with that, correct?
Yes, so it's double parking, am I right?
I'm going to go through the whole thing. Ms. Schechter, I'm going to
Just wanna
dismiss
be
the
clear.
original charge of driving while license suspended.
Okay, yes.
I'm going to dismiss the registration or plate violation. I'm going to amend the original charge of driving while license suspended to double parking. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Yes, I can.
You can pay that in person at the court's drop box, on the court's website, or by US mail. How are you paying it?
How late is the court drop box open?
24 hours.
Okay, then I can probably leave it at the drop box to later today or tomorrow.
That'd be fine.
Okay.
All right. You're all set.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor, and thank you, Counselor Belcher, and thank you, Mr. McKenna.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Have a
Okay,
good day.
thank you very much. Thank you all. Okay,
Have a good day.
bye-bye. Okay, have a good week.
Yep.
All right.
Good morning, Spencer Wallace.
How are you, Your Honor?
I'm fair. Spencer, I have a case before the court that you were charged with a misdemeanor of license not valid at the time of the stop. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click on it. And when you're done talking with that attorney, you're going to move your cursor and click on it to leave it, okay?
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. Leanna Belcher on behalf of Spencer Wallace. Mr. Wallace, please state your name.
Hi, Spencer Wallace.
I did have an opportunity to meet with Mr. Wallace in the breakout room. He wishes to take advantage of the plea offer proposed by the prosecutor in which he'd be pleading to the added count of no ops on person with the driving while license not valid dismissed.
Mr. Wallace, at the time of the stop back on September 5th of 2020 in or around Detroit Metro Airport, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid or correct driver's license?
No.
I'm accepting your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Mm,
Or you need time to pay?
Do you need time to pay, Mr. Wallace?
yes.
How much time do you need, sir?
Like 10 days, probably.
Pay it within the next 10 days. You can pay it in person at the court. You can pay it on the court's website. You can pay it at the Dropbox or by US mail. How are you paying it?
The website.
All right, you're all set.
Thank
Have a
you,
nice
Mr.
one.
Wallace. Have a great day. You can sign off, sir.
Thank you.
Al, I have a 10:30 and 11 hearing, so I may pop out.
No problem.
Leanna knows to just text me if she has questions. She's not afraid, and she's not afraid to do it.
No, I'm not.
Good morning. Angelique Mathis. Angelique Mathis, no audio. No audio on your end. Might want to move around and try to get the audio connected or click on the microphone. No audio on your end.
Hello,
Good morning.
good morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the airport prosecutor. You're Angelique Math, is correct?
Yes, I am.
You have a case before the court. Matter of fact, you have two of them. One's a driving while license not valid and a registration or plate violation that occurred back on January 23rd, 2021 in or around Detroit Metro Airport. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You're going to pay close attention to your screen. When this breakout room appears, you're going to click on enter. And when you're done talking with the attorney, click to leave it, okay?
Okay.
You at the PO, Laura?
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. Sorry, I can't get my video to start working.
You're here for?
Mohammed Al Barakat.
I don't see him. We have you here.
No, he's trying to get on. He's been trying to get on for the past 10 minutes because he called me a few times.
Okay. You want to, you're familiar with the plea offered by the prosecutor?
No, actually, I haven't received that. Would that have been emailed to me or
No,
mailed?
it's, they're going to dismiss the original charge of registration or plate violations. And they're going to amend it to a double parking, $200 in fines.
Yes, we will take that. There was 2 misdemeanors, so they're
Yep.
dismissing both.
Yep.
Could I just sign on behalf of my client?
You can accept the plea form, correct?
Okay.
Okay, it's $200. He can pay it in the next 5 days.
Yes.
It's all set.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You can pay it on, he's going to pay it in person at the court on the website or by US mail.
I'll have him pay it online. Thank you for your
Very
time.
good. You have a good day.
You too.
One second.
No problem.
Okay.
Leanna Belcher on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, will you please state your name for the judge?
Angelique Mathis.
I did have an opportunity to speak with Ms. Mathis in the breakout room. It's my understanding that Mr. Mena will allow her to plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with the original DW not valid and registration plate misdemeanor being dismissed.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to dismiss the original charge, driving while license not valid, improper license, and the registration or plate violation. I'm going to add the count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ms. Mathis, at the time of the stop back on the 23rd of January when you were pulled over, did you have a proper license?
No.
I'm accepting your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Yes.
You're going to pay it in person at the court's drop box, on the court's website, or by US mail.
US mail.
Your cell number is
317-619-6044.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Khalid, no audio on your end. Khalid Salim, no audio. Z's iPhone, no audio.
Uh-oh.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can you
Your
see
name
me?
for the record?
Oh, my name is Azizi Jasper, spelled Azizi, last name Jas as in Sam, P as in Paul, ER.
Mr. Jasper L. Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Metro Airport PD prosecutor. This is a driving while license suspended case. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Sure.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room, move your cursor, click on it to enter it, and when you're done talking to the prosecutor, click on it to leave it, okay? Or talk to the in-house attorney.
Okay, perfect. Will do. Thank you.
Crystal Smith, no audio. No audio, can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yep, your name for the record?
Crystal Moran Smith.
I do not have you on my docket. What time were you supposed to be here?
10:40, unless I'm looking at it wrong.
Moran hyphen Smith.
Yep, that's me.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Metro Airport prosecutor. This is a driving while license suspended case that goes back to 2017. The prosecutor reviewed the file. He's willing to offer you no ops on person and dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended. You understand that?
Yes.
You accept that?
Yes.
You're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes.
You understand that by entering into this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Yes.
At the time of the stop back on the 15th of February in 2017, did you have a valid license?
No, I did not.
I'm accepting your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days?
I'm
Or you need time?
currently paying on other tickets through the courts.
I'll turn you over to collections. They're going to contact you by your phone number ending in 7669.
Correct.
All right. You're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Z's iPhone, no audio.
We're ready on Jasper. That's my client.
Okay. Go ahead.
Leanna Belcher on behalf of Mr. Jasper. Please state your name, sir.
ZZ Jasper.
I did have an opportunity to meet with Mr. Jasper in the breakout room. I also had an opportunity to negotiate this matter with Mr. Mena. He's going to allow my client to plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with the original count being dismissed.
Okay, Mr. Jasper, at the time of the stop back on the 29th of June of 2020 in or around Detroit Metro Airport when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
My license was not valid at the time. I did not know those, sir.
I'll accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. I've dismissed the original charge and added the amended account of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Would I be able to work something out with the court to make a payment arrangement?
Yeah, I'm going to have collections contact you. They're going to contact you at a number that ends in 6768.
Oh, okay. No problem. My number ends that way as well, so it'll be easy to remember.
That's why I'm asking you. Is that a confirmation on your cell number?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Jasper, you're all set. They'll contact you in the next couple of days.
Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Yep. Khalid Al-Asim. No audio, no video, Khalid Al-Asim, second call. Khalid Al-Azim, final call. Galaxy Tab, no audio. Galaxy Tab A, no audio. No audio. Still no audio on your end. No audio from Khalid Al-Asim. To the gentleman with the Galaxy, no name, still no audio. To the gentleman trying to connect, if you have a pen handy, write this number down. Our last people here just have serious technical issues, and one of them needs an attorney. The Galaxy Tab A, you're sitting there. I know you're really trying to connect, but not successful. If you have a pen handy and can write down a phone number, if you can hear me, it's in your best interest to do that. You have a pen? You have to give him an A for effort.
I sent my number, so we'll see if they can get the chat and call me.
Hello?
Khalid?
Yes. Can you guys hear me?
Yep, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You're gonna move your cursor and it's gonna say enter breakout room. I want you to enter it and speak with the in-house attorney, okay?
Okay.
This is Khalid Ali, Alsaleem.
That's it.
I think he's calling you, Leanne.
Okay, I'm joining right now.
I seen him pick up his phone. I haven't started ringing yet.
Leanna, you see that guy I gave you in the breakout room?
Yeah, I didn't know if you wanted me to wait for this
Yeah.
gentleman to call,
Well,
or do you want me to
I'll
bring-
work with this guy. Go ahead and we'll see Mr. Clay. To the gentleman with the pen in his hand, 734-740-3671. Call 734-740-3671.
Hello?
You know what? No, you know what? Are you aware?
Hang on, let me mute my computer. Am I aware of what?
All right, Leanne.
Yes, Leanna Belcher on behalf of the defendant. Sir, will you please state your name for the record?
Khaled Asim.
I did have an opportunity to meet in the breakout room with my client. I've gone over the proposed plea offer with him and he wishes to take advantage of it. He'll be pleading guilty to the no ops on person with the driving while license not valid and no insurance dismissed.
Mr. Alasam, at the time of the stop on February 29th, 2020 in or around Metro Airport, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid or appropriate license?
No, sir.
Your fines and costs total $375. I'm dismissing the original charge, adding the count of no ops on person, and I'm dismissing the civil infraction. Well, we'll have to talk about that in a minute. Let's knock this case out. It's $375 on this case. Now, the no proof of insurance has a suspension fee, Leanna.
Yeah.
And sir, what that means is they are willing to dismiss the no proof of insurance, so you're not going to have any additional fines and costs, but because you did go into suspension on that, you will owe $45 to get that removed from your driving record.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's $375 plus the $45. I've dismissed the no proof of insurance as long as you pay the FAC, okay?
Okay.
Are you paying this in person at the court's drop box, online, or by US mail?
By US mail.
Pay it by mail in the next 7 days, okay?
Is there any plan that I can make?
I don't understand. I can barely hear you.
Is there any payment plan that I can make? Hello? Is there any payment?
Hold on, I'm writing.
Okay, my bad.
You want to enter into a payment plan?
Yeah. I mean, because you guys charged me 300 and I've been working to get my license for a year.
Well,
they keep asking me for a clearance. And
well, that's the thing. You want to enter into a payment plan on a clearance for one case and this other one for $375 that goes back to 2020. I have no problem. I'm going to turn you over to collections.
okay, I'm just gonna make the make a plan, like the payment plan. Yeah.
All right. The collections department's going to contact you at a phone number that ends in 2133. Okay.
2130, 23.
And here I'll go as far as to do this for you. Are we your last stop?
Sorry.
I see on your driving record, you can enter into a payment plan
Mm-hmm.
and you can pay the $45 on each case, okay?
Okay. And is the clearance is gonna be a paper or something? So
They
the
do it electronically.
oh, okay, everything on
Deanna,
the website.
That's what I've done on both these cases.
Thank you.
All right, that wraps up Mr. Alasim.
Okay, so all I have to do is just make the payment online.
You're gonna get contacted by the court
Okay.
to enter in the payment plan, and that's when you're gonna pay the $45.
Okay. Do you know when
times two, and enter a payment plan on the $375, okay?
Okay, for sure. Are they gonna contact me today?
Yep, it'll be probably in the next 2 days.
Okay, thank you. What if they didn't call me? Should I call back or something?
Call them,
Okay, thank you.
all right?
All right, bye-bye.
iPhone, no audio. Can you hear us now?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you speak up a little bit, your name for the record?
Jasmine Anthony.
What is the last name?
Anthony, Anthony.
Jasmine. Al Hindman, the magistrate, today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Metro Airport PD prosecutor. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Jasmine, you have a driving while license suspended case. The prosecutors reviewed that file. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yeah, because I got my license back.
Okay, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You're going to click on that to enter it. And when you're done talking with the attorney, you're going to click on it to leave it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, waste.
Need your mask. You want me to watch it?
These are all jokes.
All of them?
Yep. Brandon Ransom. Holy cow.
What?
They're all the same numbers, so-
216 and then 48. Good morning.
Good morning.
Leanna Belcher on behalf of Jasmine Anthony. Ma'am, will you please state your name?
Jasmine Anthony.
I did have an opportunity to speak with Ms. Anthony in the breakout room. Mr. Mena has kindly agreed to allow her to plead to allowing unlicensed driver to drive with the DWLS to be dismissed.
Miss Anthony, at the time of the stop back on November 28th of 2019, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm accepting your plea I'm dismissing the original charge, adding the count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Next
I can't hear you.
Wednesday.
I still can't hear you.
She said next Wednesday. Could you give her 14 days, Your Honor?
Pay within the next 14 days.
Yes.
In person at the court's drop box, on the court's website, or by US mail. How are you going to pay it?
I do it by the website because you get that quicker.
Okay. You're all set.
And you said it was $375?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
You have a good
Have a great day.
You too, thank you.
Saturday.
Yeah, it was after the kids left. So it was 6.
In T minus 30 seconds, that's all she wrote.
It's been fun.
You have a good day.
You too. It was good to see you guys.
You too. Good seeing you.
Bye.